I'm a court stenographer, and last month I witnessed the most savage 16-year-old absolutely destroy everyone in juvenile court. Meet Tyler. He got arrested for spray painting "Math is stupid" on his high school. Officer Johnson is presenting the case. Your Honor, the defendant was caught red-handed vandalizing school property with anti-educational graffiti. Tyler raises his hand. Objection! Judge Williams looks confused. Son, you're not a lawyer. You can't object. But Your Honor, Officer Johnson said I was caught red-handed, but I was actually caught blue-handed because I was using blue spray paint. That's false testimony. The entire courtroom goes silent. Officer Johnson's eye starts twitching. Tyler, that's not how objections work. Then how do they work? Because nobody explained the rules, and I don't want to accidentally break more laws. Officer Johnson continues. The defendant caused $200 in property damage and showed no remorse when arrested. Tyler raises his hand again. That's also incorrect, Your Honor. What now? I showed plenty of remorse. I said sorry when Officer Johnson tackled me. I also said ow and get off me, you're heavy, which shows genuine emotion. Officer Johnson jumps in. You also said this is stupid and math still sucks. Those were factual observations, not related to my remorse level. Judge Williams is trying not to smile. Tyler, why did you write math is stupid on your school? Because it's true, Your Honor. Math is objectively stupid. That's your opinion. No, sir, it's science. Why do we need to find X? X doesn't want to be found. X is probably in witness protection for a reason. The prosecutor tries to jump in. Your Honor, the defendant is being disrespectful to education. Tyler turns to the prosecutor. Ma'am, education is being disrespectful to my brain cells. They're making me learn about imaginary numbers. If they're imaginary, why can't I just imagine I passed the test? Judge Williams asks, Tyler, do you understand why vandalism is wrong? Yes, sir. It's wrong because I got caught. If I hadn't gotten caught, it would just be mysterious street art and people would call me Banksy Jr. It's not art, it's vandalism. Your Honor, that's discrimination against my artistic vision. Michelangelo painted on ceilings without permission. I painted on walls. We're basically the same person. Officer Johnson is getting frustrated. Your Honor, he compared himself to Michelangelo. Tyler looks at Officer Johnson. Officer, don't be jealous of my artistic talents. You wrote math is stupid in bubble letters. Bubble letters are a legitimate artistic choice. They're fun and approachable. Judge Williams tries a different approach. Tyler, what do you think your punishment should be? Well, Your Honor, I think the real criminal here is whoever invented algebra. I should get a medal for warning future students about mathematical torture. That's not how the legal system works. The prosecutor is getting annoyed. Your Honor, I recommend 40 hours of community service and restitution. Tyler raises his hand. I'd like to cross-examine that recommendation. You can't cross-examine a recommendation? Why not? This is America. I have rights. I demand a trial by combat. That's not a thing. It should be. I bet I could beat math in a fight. Judge Williams is openly laughing now. Tyler, what's your response to 40 hours of community service? Your Honor, that's cruel and unusual punishment. It only took me 10 minutes to create my masterpiece, so I should only owe 10 minutes of community service. That's not how it works. Then math is even more useless than I thought. Also, why should I pay $200? My graffiti increased the property value by adding character. Officer Johnson can't take it anymore. Your Honor, he thinks he improved the school. Tyler nods seriously. Officer Johnson, before my artwork, that wall was just boring brick. Now it's a conversation starter. You vandalized public property. I enhanced public property. There's a difference. Judge Williams makes his decision. Tyler, I'm sentencing you to 20 hours of community service and $200 restitution. Your Honor, can I appeal this decision? On what grounds? Temporary insanity caused by prolonged exposure to quadratic equations. Also, I think Officer Johnson has a personal vendetta against artistic expression. That's not a real legal defense. It should be. I have nightmares about the Pythagorean theorem. As we're wrapping up, Tyler asks, Your Honor, can I get a copy of the transcript? Why? I want to use it for my college application essay.